marketing app. Yes, he works with Ivan. On this session, Michael was the lead, and he will be uh, uh, working with us and with Ivan on the configuration of the platform. I was asking him about he he see the recordings of the last
Recording in progress.
and he has the knowledge that the last two sessions, yes, uh, he he's the man who is working with the backend, and he has some experience about the last two sessions, yes. Then uh, I told him that we will let you go ahead with your training plan, and all the questions or doubts that maybe he has, he will put on an email, and we will write to you after the session. Uh, Looking for not don't make this session slow or something like that. Uh, you agree with that?
Hello?
Hello, Akib. You have.
Yes, yes, I'm able to hear you. Okay. So meanwhile, two of our training session has been already done, right? In those training session, in the first one, I have covered the product part, and in the second one, I have covered the web to print part, right? I have sent you the recorded meeting link as well. And apart from that, regarding the printing method, editable artwork and templates, I have sent you the recorded video. So have you seen that, or have Mark, the person name is Mark, right?
Michael.
Okay, so Michael has seen those videos.
Let me ask, Michael, ¿tuviste uno o dos videos de entrenamiento?
Yo vi 2 videos.
Okay. Yes, Akib, he see the two videos, but I have a problem with the last video. I write today because the link of the Zoom recording asks for a password, but I don't have that password. If
Okay,
you could help
meanwhile,
me.
a recorded video you are downloading, right?
What?
You are downloading the recorded video of last meeting, and at that time it was asking you for the password, right?
When I click on the link, they ask me for the password
Okay.
immediately. I couldn't
They are asking
download
for the Zoom
the
password,
recording.
right?
Yes, for a Zoom password.
Okay. Don't worry, I will transfer it on a WeTransfer and I will share the link again.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay. Yes, but the answer is yes. Michael viewed the product session and the web to print session, the last two sessions. Then you could go ahead with what the item that you are prepared.
Okay. So in today's training session, it will be a quick training session of changes only. How you can do some of the front-end changes. So first of all, let me share my screen.
Okay, I will translating the part with Michael, yes, because he don't speak English. Uh, Michael, entonces hoy vamos a ver algunos temas referentes a la, digamos, a la configuración del front-end o cambios como en la parte gráfica del sitio de la página. Bueno.
Sí, señor.
Okay. Go ahead, Akib.
Yes, yes. Just a moment, please. Yes, Daman. Are you able to see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now, here on front end, you can see multiple things, right? Let's just say the first thing which I just need to inform you is the logo. the logo format is not that correct. So if you will see this logo, so in this logo, like, there is a blank white space is going over here, right? So that's why the logo is not in the perfect format. We just need to edit the size of logo with using online tool. It's a kind of online Photoshop extension. So what I will do, I will simply crop the logo from here and I will re-upload it again. Okay?
Yes, I think you is not the correct logo because they don't have transparency. Yes, transparency maybe.
Yes, yes, the background is not transparent. That's why you got my point. Now, what I will do, there is one extension, online extension of Photoshop. Now, here you can directly load this logo and you can edit that if you want. See, it's a transparent, but as you can see, the header is horizontal. It's not a vertical. So we just need to crop the vertical part. We do not need this one. So we will simply crop this part, right? And then we will simply export it as a PNG file. Let me save it on the desktop. Okay, now if I want to change anything from the front end, let's just say there are multiple information. The first one is that this one. Let me. Can I convert it into the English just because I'm not able to understand the Spanish?
Yes, that's it a demo store and they not accept
But
el
can I
English.
convert it into the
Yes,
English?
yes, you can translate to English. Don't worry.
Okay. Okay, so here you are getting the demonstration notification, right? So whenever you will configure the shipping method and payment method, and whenever you want to go live, you can remove this notification. I will show you that. You can see this welcome default message. You can see this fast order, become a designer. You can see this logo. Apart from that, these categories, banners, our service section where you can see the categories as a blog, right? This one is a yellow color blog with a promo code Pearl123. This one is one blog with three image and shop now button, then featured product, new product and bestseller product, and apart from that create your own. It's a one blog which you can edit with the backend, and newsletter and footer blog. So all this information has been mentioned in the backend as a pages, as a blocks, and some of those are in the configuration. So let us start from the configuration. So if you want to change the logo or change the favicon icon of the website, so you can go to the content and configurations. Let me convert the backend into the English as well. Even some of the setting, content and configuration. Now here you will able to see the all the store views, like English store views, as well as Spanish store views, as well as main website, and as well as global website, right? So let's just say for English website, if you want to put a different logo, and for Spanish website, if you want to put a different logo, right? So you can put it. But if you want to upload the same logo for all the store views and all the things, so you just need to edit the first one, which is global. If you are going to
What is the difference between the first and the second line? The first and the second
second first one is the global one.
yes.
If you are going to do the changes in this global one, then it will applicable for all the stores and all the website which you have, right? And the second one, it's for the main website only. It will get done for the main website if there is only one language, right? And the third one is for the English for you, and the fourth one is for the Spanish for you. Okay?
Okay. Yes. The main, yes, there are a global site and a main site, no? I,
Yes,
I,
yes.
I don't see the difference between the global site and the main
Yes,
site.
just because you are having two already, you already having the two store view, English and Spanish. That is why. If you are having only one store view, then English and Spanish will not be there. There is one only main website.
Okay, okay.
That's kind of the same, but you can edit the global one. With using this, you can just do the changes for all the website. Now over here in the global website, you can go into the HTML header, right? In HTML header, you can upload the favicon icon over here.
Okay, let me check if Michael is with. Michael, ¿hasta ahora has entendido esa parte?
Sí, señor, ahí nos está mostrando la... Sí, señor. Pues ahí, pues
Ok.
lo que he entendido es que nos está mostrando como la cuestión para arreglar los iconos y la cuestión del logo de la página como tal, ¿sí?
Sí, aquí está entrando, digamos que estaba diciendo que hay como tres páginas que se pueden configurar, o tres frontends, uno que es global y luego es por idioma, el de inglés y el de español. Los cambios que uno haga en el global van a aplicar para los otros, ¿no? O puedo yo hacer cambios específicos si yo quiero, digamos, que un sitio web que esté en inglés tenga algunas cosas diferentes al sitio web que esté en español, pero en nuestro caso pienso que, pues que haciendo los cambios en el global es suficiente porque siempre será en español en un principio. Entonces acá lo que está empezando a editar es un sitio web global y pues lo que empezará a mostrar es por dónde cambio el icono de favoritos, por dónde cambio el default page title, todo ese tipo de cosas que se pueden cambiar en el frontend, ¿vale?
Listo, listo. Gracias.
Okay, go ahead, Akib.
Okay. Now favicon icon, you can upload it over here. It is showing just because in particular English or in Spanish store view we have already uploaded it. That's why. But if you are going to upload it over here, it will replicate over here just because, and we just need to delete it from the particular store view. Then you can see the global changes over here. Now, the next option is header. In header, you can upload the main website logo. As of now, you can see the global logo of the website is a design by, right? So I will just remove it and I will upload your logo over here. Okay, you can mention the logo width, logo height, and you can see this welcome message over here in the header, right? So if you want to edit this welcome message, you can edit it over here and you can write in Spanish as you require, right? Whenever customer will hover on the website, hover on the logo of your website, then do you want to show anything? So it is, so see, it is showing you design and buy, right? So instead of design and buy, if you want to set some different tags when customer will hover on your web logo, then you can write it down over here. Okay.
Okay.
Now footer. In the footer, let me go into the footer. You can see these icons. Let me move it here. Okay. You can see these icons. Design. You can see this last footer. Designed by 2019 privacy policy terms and conditions. So all this information regarding the footer has been mentioned over here, right? So you can simply edit this one This is the HTML and CSS code. Now, if you want to edit the design by 2019, so you can edit this text and you can write I print 2019 or 2021, right? You
Okay.
can print it like this. Okay, and apart from that, there is a terms and privacy and policy page, and there is a terms and condition page. All these pages, all these options are there. But if you are going to click on that, it will not redirect you anywhere else. Just because over here we haven't mentioned anything for the terms and condition page. At the same time, if you are going to do it for the privacy and policy page, so when you will click on that, it will redirect you to the dedicated privacy and cookie policy page. Right? See, this is the page of privacy and cookie policy. Now, how we can do that? So see, this is the privacy and policy tags which is available on the front end. If you want to connect a particular page, if you want to connect a particular page of your uh, like sorry, if you want to connect a particular page which you want to show on the front end, so you just need to create that page with using content and pages, right? You have to go to the content and pages. You have to create a page. You have to mention your content over here. It will give you one URL key, right? And that URL key, you have to mention it over here. And this is the URL key of privacy and cookie policy page. As the same way for the terms and condition, whenever we are clicking on terms and condition option, it is not redirecting you anywhere. Why? Just because instead of this hashtag, we just need to create a page of terms and condition, and we have to mention the URL key of terms and condition page over here. Okay?
Could you do the example of create a simple page and put
To
the
the content
URL?
and pages, here you will able to see all the pages which has been used
Okay.
in the website. Now, let's just say you want to add one more page of terms and conditions. So simply click on add new page, right? Here you have to write down the page name, terms and condition. Okay. What is the content? So here you can define your content in a two part. The first one, if you have a simple content only, right? So you just need to write it like a notepad or something, right? Or if you want to design it with the images, with the widgets and all that, so you can also design it. Okay, let's just say I will copy this text for the terms and condition page and I will paste it over here. But now let's just say you want to design this particular tag or you want to put one image over there. So you can click on show editor. All the things will get converted into the HTML language. Here you can insert the image, you can insert the widget, and you can insert multiple number of things with the use of HTML and CSS. But for that, HTML and CSS knowledge will be required. Otherwise, it will not. You cannot create. Right now, what I will do, I will simply save it. Okay, now it's saved. Now what I need to do, I need to connect this terms and condition option which is available in the footer to particular this page which I have created. So what I will do, I will simply go into the search engine optimization. I will take this URL key and instead of this has code, I will mention the URL key of terms and condition page. Okay, so now onwards, whenever I will save it, Then when customer will click on terms and condition option, they will get redirected on this page which we have
Excuse me,
created.
could you
They
okay,
can show this
could you
one.
repeat the part that you showed search engine optimization? What
Yeah.
is that section?
Whenever you will save any kind of page, right? So search engine optimization key will automatically get generated by system. You
Okay.
just need to scroll down. You just need to go into
Oh, okay.
search engine optimization. You have to copy the URL key and paste it to the here. So once you will save it, once you will clear the cache from the backend, then you will able to redirect the terms and condition option to the dedicated page. Okay.
Okay.
Now item image watermark. So let's just say in your website, on the product page, on catalog page, just because nowadays fraud people like having fraud with business is not a big deal. So for like for a safer side, if you want to upload a watermark image of your logo of the website in the product, right? So you can upload it over here. For the picture, the main picture, you can decide the image opacity, right? Even you can upload the logo of your website over here. Okay, this one is the logo for the base image, right? What will be the opacity? So let's just say 40%. What will be the image size? So let's just say 200 by 40 pixels, and image position will be, I think, center. So nobody can even use the image on some other location, just because nowadays what's going on, people are using your software and they will download the output and they will get it printed somewhere else, right? So for
It's more
which
than a safety thing, no?
yeah, it's like the image which you have created with the Photoshop, and like if you want your logo as a watermark image in the background, so someone cannot misuse it, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So for that you can upload the small thumbnails, where for all the kind of image you can upload your watermark image. Over here you can mention the image opacity, image size, and you can select the image positions as well. Okay.
Okay, okay. Then when I see or I download maybe the PDF or the JPG of product, they have this watermark on
Yes,
the
they
back.
will always have, they will always have a watermark image. Yes.
Okay, but you
Okay.
need to configure here.
No, it's not for the download output. It's for the product picture only. Okay.
Mm,
Or if
yeah.
you want to put a logo as a watermark image, just check it out first. Is it there is watermark image into the download output, download preview or not? If there is no watermark image, then let me know. I'm going to set a watermark image for you. Okay.
Okay. It's
Now,
not possible in this moment see how it you could
yes,
see
no,
the
no, it's
watermark on a
not
file.
possible from here. It's not possible to set the watermark image for the preview download over here, just because it is in Design Studio.
Okay.
Okay. Now the
Okay.
last option over here, important option last, is a transaction email. So whenever you are doing any kind of communication with your customer, right, and if you want your logo to get sent to every customer, so you can upload your logo over here. So whenever you will do any kind of communication with your customer, yeah, this logo will automatically get sent. You can select, you can mention the alternative text, right? You can mention the logo width by logo height. Also you can select the header and footer template. Okay. Header template means if you want to create some greeting message in the header, so you can create it, and you can a footer template means you just need to mention some thanks message, and you just need to mention the business card or your contact number or anything, you can mention it. As of now, there are two templates only, right? But you can go into the marketing, you can go into the email templates, and you can create number of templates from here. Okay, so you can simply click on add new template, write down the content which you want, right, and save it for the header, and you can set up the header greeting message and footer contact us message from here. If you do not want to do anything, you can drop this option, right, and you can just save this setting. Once it will get saved, we just need to remove the setting from the Spanish dedicated store. Then we will able to see it in the main website. Also, we just need to clear the cache. So we will go to the setting and cache management. Let me just do these things quickly so I can show you the changes on the front end.
Why will you need to do this cache here?
Yes, you have to go into the system option, and then you have to click on the cache management option. Okay, see, let me show you again. System, and where is the cache management? I'm not able to see that. Just forget Spanish.
Gestión de caché.
Yeah,
Yes,
cache management. So from here, you just need to click on the plus magenta cache plus, and then you just need to click on empty cache.
to apply the changes or what?
Yeah, like whenever you will do any kind of changes for the front end, right, it will first, the first step which we need to do is the clear the cache. Just because if you are not going to clear the cache, then old changes will remain on the same backend, and everything will get mashed up, and it will conflict, and it will not show you the proper changes on the front end. So always whenever you will do the changes for the front end, always clear a cache after the changes, right, and then just try to check it out on the front end. Clear? If you want to explain, Mr. Michael, you can explain it.
Yes, Michael,
Señor.
¿estuvo claro esta parte de la parte del footer que llaman para configurar lo de las páginas que hay que crear para los términos y condiciones y todo eso?
Eh, pues digamos, en cuestión de para los ajustes sí, pero lo que no me quedó muy claro fue como la parte de que estaba haciendo de términos y condiciones. Ahí que creo, fue una nueva página, ¿verdad?
Exacto. Todo, o sea, ahí lo que uno quiera, o sea, las páginas que uno quiera que se, que uno pueda llegar a través, digamos, de ese link de términos y condiciones o de cuál era el otro, de, bueno, lo que el ejemplo que hay términos y condiciones o de política de privacidad, entonces fue a una sección, hay que crear la página,
Sí,
¿no? Y al crear la página, él crea como un link de Search Engine Optimization, que fue lo que él puso el ejemplo de términos y condiciones,
sí,
y eso es lo que uno copia de ahí y lo lleva a, como a ese pedacito de trozo de HTML donde hacía referencia a, al footer, a la parte de abajo de la página de términos y condiciones.
sí.
Eso, eso fue lo que hizo ahí. Pero digamos que el resumen es, hay una sección que se llama Pages, páginas, que es donde uno tiene que crear esas páginas a las cuales se va a llegar cuando desde la parte principal, por ejemplo, uno va a política de privacidad, términos y condiciones, seguramente cuando está la parte de contáctenos o de quiénes somos, ese tipo de cosas,
Ah, ok.
es creando allí las páginas.
Ah, listo, perfecto.
¿De acuerdo? Ok.
Listo.
Ok, aquí, go ahead, please.
Y lo que hizo,
Ah, no.
y lo que hizo siguiente fue lo del caché, ¿sí? Entonces eso, ¿cada cuánto se podría hacer o cómo uno hace eso?
Creo que siempre que se hace, digamos, cambios en el backend, ¿no?
Sí.
Que usted añada cosas, quite cosas, hay que al final hacer como el vaciado de caché para que quede eso actualizado.
Ah,
Pero
listo.
déjeme le preguntamos. Aquí, how frequent you need to do the cache management? Always that you have a change
Yeah,
on the backend?
whenever you will change any information on the home page, right? On the content and configuration, on the pages, on the blog, right? It's kind of a home page view. Let's just say you are editing this one, right? But it is not reflecting you properly. So in that case, you just need to clear the cache. Apart from that, like if you are going to add a 50 or 20 products, then at the time it will not require. Now you can see the logo is proper. You can see that.
Yeah.
You cannot see the blank white space which we have, just because we have uploaded new logo, this one, right? And if you will see, like now you will click on terms and conditions, so it will also redirect you on the particular page which we have created. You can see this page. So that was the page which we have created, and you can see the URL of this page as well in the header. Okay.
Okay. Then the answer is whenever you make a change on the home page and on the backend, you need to clear the cache.
Yes, yes. Whenever you will edit the HTML or CSS thing, right, the cache clear is required, and you do not need to go in that. Even you will see the error like this: one more cache type is invalid. Go to the cache management and update the memory type. So you just need to simply click on this cache management option.
Yeah.
It will directly redirect on this page.
And you first go to empty cache, and after that you go to
Yes,
empty the cache,
yes,
the
yes,
Magento
the
cache.
first one and the second one.
Okay.
Okay, now move on to the next option: how to change the banners which is available in the website. So for that, we just need to go in a value pixel option. We just need to go on the banners for sliders, and from here you can see all the images which has been used in the website. So we just need to find out the particular image which we want to change. So let's just say our banners which we have added over here, it's on the third page, right? So we will go in that option, we will see the banners, right? Now let's just say you want to edit this first banner, right? This banner. So we will open it simply, and instead of that banner, we just need to replace the banner. We just need to choose the file and upload our new banner over here and just save the banner. So meanwhile, banner will get updated on the front end. Okay, you can see all the banners here. See, okay?
If yes, aquí a question. If possible, have some kind like a GIF or video on the banner,
Yes,
or
yes, yes, we can do that. See, translate it to English, then I can show you something.
don't worry.
See, panel type, you can upload picture, video, or personalize.
Okay.
In picture, it will accept an image, video, or custom banner, which you can do that. And in custom banner, you can just design it with the HTML code. so it will look good, right? Apart from that, in image you can upload JPG, JPEG, GIF, and PNG. Okay.
Okay. Okay, let me check. Michael, esta parte creo que es lo de donde uno configura o agrega los banners que se van como moviendo ahí en la página, ¿no?
Sí,
En un momento, si mal no recuerdo, Iván había preguntado si en esos banners se podían poner algo adicional a imágenes estáticas, como imágenes que se movieran, como GIFs y eso.
sí,
Entonces ahí nos está mostrando que es por allí. ¿Eso está claro?
listo. Y una pregunta en eso. Digamos, uno puede poner banners, digamos, en la parte de los productos. Digamos, voy a entrar a un producto de rentablo, ¿sí?
Sí.
Y lo direcciona ahí. Uno puede poner un banner ahí y que aparezca y abajito empiece a verse el listado de productos o los cuadros de los productos.
No sé, déjame preguntando.
Por favor, gracias.
Aquí, um,
Yes, Raman.
you are showing us the banner on the main page, no? On the home page.
Yes,
It's
yes.
possible have banners on a product page. For example, when you click on a product and you go to see details of the product, it's possible have banners there.
We can set up the banners for the category. We cannot set up for the product. Just because for
Okay.
product we are already having a product image, right?
But in
But when
category,
the
yes.
customer will click on the business card, right? So it will open a business card product. But if you want to set up a banner over here in the header,
Yeah.
you can do that.
Yes, you can. It's possible.
Yes.
Ok, sí, Michael. Es posible poner banners en las páginas de las categorías,
Sí.
¿correcto? No digamos del producto en particular, sino en las categorías. Él nos dice que sí es posible, vamos a ver. You will show how to put a banner on a category page?
It's in a catalog and it's in a categories.
Yeah.
Whenever you will upload or whenever you will add any kind of category, there is one option to upload the category image. Let's just say this category spaces and decorations, right? So if you will go into this category, here is the option given into the content section. In content, see, it is asking you for the category image. You just need to upload the category image over here, right? And just save it so it will show you over here on the catalog page. Okay?
Yeah. And the banner is,
Yeah, that's a banner. That's a banner. That's not a category image. That's a banner.
okay.
Image category is a banner for the category.
Ok, ¿está claro eso, Michael?
Pues,
Aquí en contenido de la categoría, en Image Category, la imagen que te vuelve aquí va a ser el banner de la categoría.
ok, o sea que no, en ese sentido no se puede poner así como al principio, que se muevan varias o solo la imagen como tal, solo una.
Okay. Here, aquí, you can put, for example, as in a previous example, uh, 3 or 4 images that are changing as a previous
No,
example, as a
it is
banner.
not. It is not possible with the catalog page. There is one fixed image on the catalog page.
Okay, then that is not the same kind of banner that you could configure on
Yes,
the homepage.
yes, yes, yes. That's not the same thing. Just because there are the things like which has been provided by default magenta, right? And we cannot even change it.
Ok. No, Michael, no, efectivamente en la parte de categorías se puede poner una imagen, pero no varias y que vayan rotando porque no son, digamos, es una característica propia de Magento, no, no que tiene esa restricción.
Ah, listo, gracias.
Ok, go ahead, Akib, thank you.
Okay, and apart from that, German, you have booked the meeting for tomorrow as well, right?
Yes, at same hour, same
Okay.
time, sir.
Okay. Now move on to the next option is the blogs. So content and blogs. Pages you are getting it like how can we create the pages and how can we assign the URL key of pages to the particular option. You got it right.
Yes.
Okay. Now move on to the next option is blogs. So this is the category blog with three image and one button, right? As the same way, this is the footer blog, this is the newsletter blog, right? So all the blogs which has been used on the website is available over here. You can go into the any of the blocks according to your requirement and you can edit the code. Let's just say I just need to go into the footer blog, so I will go to the web pixel footer v3. Now, if you are not getting an idea from the product or blog name, right? So you can first of all click on the edit button of the blog and you can see like what is the content which is available in this blog. You can match this content with this blog which you are getting on the front end about us, contact us, customer service, site map, search terms and advanced search and all that. The same thing we are getting over here, right? So which means that's the same blog. So now over here, if you want to link something like with about us option, you want to link about us page. With contact us option, you want to link a contact us page. So when you will click on show editor, it will get converted into the HTML language. And as you can see, the about us page is connected, contact us page is connected, customer service page is connected. Everything will get converted into the HTML. You can edit the HTML code. You can add some content in it. You can even delete it. You can edit that. Everything you can do it with using HTML and CSS. Once you are done with that, you can click on hide editor. It will show you how it looks on the front. Okay.
Yes. And the URL key, you need to go to pages, create the page, and copy this URL key and put on the HTML
About
code.
okay. In this section, right? This one is the about us text which we have, right? On the
Yeah.
front, contact us option, and the last one is a customer service option. This right now where it will get redirected. So see, we have put a code over here with using HTML. That store URL will get redirected on about dash us. So this is the URL key of about dash us page. If you will go to the content and if you will go to the pages, then you will definitely find one page which about dash us URL key. So you will definitely get one page with a contact and you will definitely get customer dash service page. Just go to this content and pages. Here you will able to see all the pages. Even in case if you want to add the pages, if you want to add the blocks, everything you can edit as you require. See, you can see this about us, customer service, right? Privacy and policy. So all the options which you are getting on the home page, and if it is getting redirected to the particular page, every page you can find it over here. Okay. So main class, you just need to have some basic knowledge about HTML and CSS to edit this code. And if you are not able to do it from your side, please let me know. I'm going to help you. Like if you need to change any information and if it is not possible from your side, please let me know. I'm going to change those information for you for your requirement, right? And it's kind of German. It's for one time only, right? Designs we are not changing on regular basis, right? We just need to change it for one time only. So I'm going to do it for you. As the same way, you can see this home three box belong. So you can select it and you can edit it. So meanwhile, if you want to edit this content of three image and shop now button, you can edit this home three box block. See, you can see all of these three images, and there is one shop now button here, but you cannot edit this images. You cannot delete it directly. You just need to click on show editor. Here you just need to upload a new image, then image resource file will automatically get generated, and you just need to replace the image instead of existing image. And if you know the HTML in deep, so you can also implement other things as you require. Okay, clear about the blocks?
Um, Akib, could you click on again on Show High Editor, please?
Yes,
What the other option, insert widget or insert variable, when you use this kind of options?
it's a widget, kind of widget. We just need to use a which kind of widget you want to use. Like you want it in a feature blog post, you want it into the orders and returns, you want to, it's a CMS static blog, or it's you want to put it into the recently viewed items. So these are the widgets which we have. Right now, the insert image means, see, this is one URL file of the first image, this boy image, right? This is the URL of this that boy image. Let's just say instead of that, I just want to add one more image. So I'll come over here, I will click on insert image, I will upload my new image over here. Let's just say logo of your website, I will upload it. Right, I will click on add selected, then URL will automatically get generated. See, if I will just copy it, and I just need to paste it instead of this image box. So see, right, you can see the changes in the images. So this is how you can upload the images. And if you want to upload a variable, it's a kind of thing like you just need to fetch the information from the order. Like order number will not be fixed, name and number of customer will not be fixed, right? So it's a kind of variable, you can use it with using HTML and CSS. So which variable you want to use, you just need to decide it. If you are going to search into the Google or YouTube, if you will do that, it will give you multiple variables. So general variables which we have given, like if you want to put any kind of store, phone number, address, city, zip code, country, everything will be different for as per the customer, right? So we have mentioned all this variable over here. If you want to use it, you can do that. Otherwise, you can drop these options.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. The thing, boxes are, or blocks maybe, are just sections on the web page that you manage
Yeah.
as this example, no? Or all the page.
All the
Sorry,
things.
I recreate my question. The homepage is built from header, footer, and blocks. Yes? No more.
Yes. Header, footer, and blocks.
Okay.
Header, footer, blocks, and pages, and a featured product listing. Let me show you. Let's just say you are creating one blog and you want to call it on the home page, right? So how you can call a particular blog which has been created by you on the home page? So you can use this widget button, content and widget. From here, you can manage the product listing. Meanwhile, whatever is available on the home page, you can make it from here. What is the theme of our website? So it's a custom pearl theme for Magento 2. We just need to select it and we just need to hit the enter button. Now here you can see all the things which we have enabled for the home page. Custom page, featured product listing, new product listing, best seller product listing, create your own task. Here is create your own, right? This one is create your own, best seller product listing, new product listing, featured product listing, right? Apart from that, manage a main banner DNB slider, which means this banner slider, which we have added, right? Newsletter section, create your own section. So all these are information which we have created. So let's just say you want to call some blog on the home page, right? So let me give you the example only, like how you can enable the particular blog. So first of all, you just need to select a CMS static blog from here, and then you have to select the theme of your website. Once you will select it, it will ask you to save the widget. Once you will save it, then it will ask you to put the title of your widget. You put the store view over here. So in which store view it is enabled, it's enabled for the English only, right? So once it will get done, it will give you one design layout. So here you just need to take care, there are multiple number of options which has been provided by Magento. You can use any of the options as you require. Even I haven't explored all the option over here. Still I am exploring some of the options on the, like whenever I'm practicing it. But there are multiple number of options, like specific page. If I want to redirect it, then on which page you want to redirect. So you can select CMS home page. You can see number of pages. So on any of the pages, if you want to call a blog, you can select that page and you can do it accordingly. On which container, which means which is what is the position of that blog on the page. So it's on the middle, main area, page footer, page bottom, on which area you can select it from here. Then once you will assign the design layout, then you can save it. Once you will save it, then it will enable one more tab, which is assign blog. From here you can go and you can click on select the blog. Here you will have a list of all the blogs which has been created in the package. You can select any of the blogs according to your requirement and you can save it. So this blog will call on this particular specific page, on this particular I can say sorry, on this page and on this position on the home page or any of the page which you have selected from here. Okay. As the same way, instead of CMS static blog, if you want to create a product listing, right? So you can go in this one. So instead of CMS blog, you just need to select catalog item list. See, you can select catalog item list from here. You can select the theme, save it, then it will ask you for the widget title. You can select the store view, you can add the layout, right? And then you can click on application option and you just need to put the qualification, sorry, put the details over here, like what will be the name on the front end, what will be the minimum display number of products and all these things. You just need to mention it over here and you just need to save it. Then this particular product listing page will be available on the home page. That's all about the widget. Like you can create a number of widget as per your requirement and as per your, I can say, blocks which you have created. Okay.
Okay, you don't do any change on this part to see the example on the homepage? No.
Do you want me to add one block?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yes, yes.
If
Add
you
one
want
block. Yes, I do want an example to see on the homepage. Sure.
Okay. So if you want to add any widget, let me show you how you can do that. Simply click on add widget. Okay. See, first of all, it will ask only two information. And just because it's not getting translated in proper English, that's why I'm not able to see that. See, what is the widget which you want to use? There are multiple widgets.
I don't know. Whatever you want.
Yeah. So let's just say you want to link one page,
Okay.
link to CMS page. So you can select it. You can select your theme, click on continue. Then terms and condition page, let's just say. right? It is available for also view. Here I will add a layout. It's on a specific page. On which page it is? So it's on a CMS homepage default. It's on this page. What is the container? So let's just say it's on a before page footer, and what will be the template? What is it? When it's not in English, can you please tell me what is it?
What are you? The first one is template on blog on the page or links to the CMS, and the second one is template online of the page of links to the CMS of the
So you
CMS.
can select it according to your requirement over here, and then go to application option. Here you can select the CMS page which you have created, right? So let's just say terms and condition page, where it is which we have created. Okay, here it is. I will select it and I will simply save it. So terms and condition page will be there on the home page on the footer location. Okay, but it will only appear once you will clear the cache. And I am just
Okay.
showing you randomly. That's why I am not saving it even. Right? But whenever you are doing it properly, you can save it. And if there is any problem, you can let me know.
Okay.
Okay. So that's all about the I can say blocks, widgets, pages, category banners, main banners, favicon icons, logo, welcome text message, footer, watermark images, and transaction email, and creating email templates. So these are the points which we have covered. If you have any questions, you can ask me right now so I can give you the suggestions according to your question.
Okay. Okay.
These are the front-end changes which you can do from the back-end.
Yes, change from the backend. A question talking about the next sessions. Is possible to have in advance the themes of the training, maybe the subject that you will cover on the next session? That for Ivan is he wants
Sorry,
to
sorry.
know.
What you want to cover me in like what you want to cover in the next initiation?
No, my question is if it's possible to know what are the subjects of the next sessions of this training,
Next
because
in our next initiation, I'm going to explain you how to set up an email address, how to create an email template, and how to send it to the particular customer with using dedicated email templates. Apart from that, I will explain you how sales and order part will work, how you can download the output which has been designed by the customer, how you can generate the invoice, how you can ship your order. These are the things which I'm going to cover into the next initiation. And after that, on the fifth one, we will discuss about some of the basic points which is there into the stores and configuration, and we will also discuss about the payment and shipping method which we need to configure in the website.
that's okay. My question, you could share with us maybe on an email or a document
Yes, yes, yes.
what are the items of
Yes,
the
whenever
training?
I will send you, whenever I will send you, sorry.
Because, for example, Ivan want to know when we will cover the payment gateway integration, and they want to know when they
It will get automated.
to have the information that in this session we will cover these items, and on the next session we will cover these items. What are, if you could share with us the training plan, maybe the training subjects, will be awesome.
Yes, I will definitely share it to you. Like whenever I'm going to send you a meeting link for tomorrow meeting, right?
Yeah.
Then at that time I will share the agenda of meeting with you, right? So in that I'll mention each and every point which I'm going to cover into the training session. Okay.
Okay.
And one
And
more thing, I just need to confirm you is like just give me the details of payment method and shipping method which you want to configure with this website, or just decide the payment and shipping method which you want to configure it, right? So we can go ahead easily and like we can do everything easily in priority.
yes, Akib, sorry, but it's possible that you ask for us this on the platform or on email because uh, I want to be sure that Ivan understands this question. But if you could write us, because as you know, Michael and Ivan don't speak English very well, and I want to be sure that they understand what are you asking. Yes. If it's possible, could you on the platform please make write the question that you need to
Yes,
know
yes, yes,
for the
sure.
next
I will
session?
write the question regarding the payment and shipping method as well. Don't worry.
Okay. And in the meantime, looking on for the next session,
Yes.
Michael that is joined today will write some kind of questions that when we practice and go deeper on the back end and doing testings, maybe there are questions and we will write.
You will, yes, yes, sure. And if you will see in the backend, like them, and if you are going to explore it, so some of the things are really easy. Like if you will go into the customer, you can add the customer group and customer from here. So it's not a big task, right? If you will go into the sales, order will be here. You just need to explore each and every option, so everything will be easy. So it's not a big deal, right? I will show you some of the important and necessary points to configure the website and going live, right? Rest of all the other option, if you have any questions or if you need any kind of screenshot or recorded video from my side, please let me know. I will do that for you and I'm going to send it to you. Okay, and apart from that, you can also refer our knowledge base where you can find the video of each and every module which we have in the Magento backend. So you can refer it. Also, I'm going to send you some more videos. When I'll send you the link of this recorded meeting, right? I will also send you 2 or 3 more topics, video, recorded video in that mail, so you can refer that and we can cover those points as soon as possible. Okay.
Okay. A last question from my side. There is some kind of user manual, documentation online or
Yes, yes, there
on a
is
PDF
an
document about the Magento platform and the web recording platform?
actually, we do not have any user manual, but we are having a recorded video of every module. Even I'm going to create your account on our port support portal where we have the recorded video of everything. Right, so I will create an account with using your email address. You will get one invitation email. With using that invitation email, you can set it up the password for your website. Once you will set it up, you can log in with the website, and in knowledge base option, you can see all the videos of all-in-one designer and you can refer it.
Okay, there are no documentation more than the videos.
Yes. And have you seen the videos which I have sent you in previous training session, like printing method videos
Yes, yes,
and
yes.
that work? So that kind of video which we have in our portal, right? So I will give you the access of our support portal. Just refer all the videos, module wise videos, and let me know if you have any queries. Okay?
Perfect. It's too important. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you so much for your time today. Bye bye.
Ok, bye bye. Michael, gracias. Nos vemos mañana entonces a la misma hora. Bueno,
Bueno, listo, señor. Muy amable, gracias.
bueno, vale, chao, chao.